Hi, welcome to the EUC channel. These are short tutorials, based on the prerequisites for Horizon Cloud on Azure. We will explore setting up Workspace ONE access for Horizon Universal Console integration. Use your Workspace ONE admin login. If you do not have a tenant, we will show you later on how to request a tenant. The steps for enabling the OAuth and secret and attribute mapping stays the same. Under the Catalogue tab, select Settings. Now select the Remote App Access tab. We need to create a client request. This needs to be a service client token. The client ID can be any description, but make a note of the client ID and shared secret, as we will need this to pair the Horizon Universal Console tenant to the Workspace ONE access instance. At the top of the screen will be a OAuth client activation success message. We now need to ensure that our client mapping is also done correctly. Add the 4 different attributes to your access tenant. The user principal name will already be added at this point, as most directory integrations requires this object. Ensure your mappings are correct, and remember, these are case sensitive. We now continue to log in to the Horizon Universal Console. Go to Settings and then to the Access tab. Please request a tenant at this point if you do not already have one. Remember, it is vital that you integrate your Workspace ONE tenant that comes with Horizon Cloud on Azure subscriptions, as this will enable more options, not just for user integration and portal access, but also to ensure you have different authentication options across clouds and applications. Examples of direct integration will be Duo, or Okta or PingFed, and AAD, to name a few examples. Once you copied and pasted the OAuth client ID and shared secret, agree to the terms and click Next. Step 2 will ensure you have a checkpoint to make sure you have integrated your solution correctly, and will save you valuable time in troubleshooting. Click Next, then click Activate to complete your access tenant integration. It would be a good idea to test and make sure you can leverage resources through the Workspace ONE hub. If you already have a desktop or application published, switch over to your Workspace ONE Intelligent Hub, and you will see all your resources have been published. Select a resource and make sure you can launch this via the hub. You will notice the redirection from hub to your Universal Broker URL, and this will ensure the user receives the correct URL and desktop or application based on the rules selected when you assigned the resource. Watch the assignment video to learn more about user home site and assignments. Use the built-in help desk tool to test, and once you are happy your integration is successful, then click Confirm. Using the slider that says Require Intelligent Hub App will force all users to now use the hub as the source of truth before being redirected to the required resource in the correct data center. You can see how the use of complex GSLB and networking nightmares have been mitigated, saving your thousands, and how simple your global user entitlement and resource publishing have become. Thank you for watching.